Hello student, today we will discuss EcoMap. In the previous class we have discussed about genogram. I hope everyone gone through the video I have shared with you. So there is a difference between genogram and EcoMap. In genogram, as we have discussed earlier, in genogram we draw the family history, while in EcoMap we draw the social and personal relationship of an individual with his or her environment. In genogram, we only focus to draw the family history, like how many children they have, um, uh, the relationship between husband and wife, whether they are divorced or separated or they are living together. So we draw the family history. While EcoMap, we draw the relationship, interrelationship of an individual, not only family. Also, we draw the interpersonal relationship of an individual with the other agencies such as school, religious institution, neighbor, friends. So we try to draw the relationship of an individual to whom the individual interact in day-to-day life. Okay. So these EcoMap were developed in 1975 by Dr. Anne Hartman, who is also credited with creating the genogram. Though both the same person introduce genogram and EcoMap. Okay, so জেন'গ্ৰামত আমি কি কৰোঁ যে অকল ফেমিলি হিষ্ট্ৰীটো ড্ৰ কৰোঁ আৰু ইক'মেমত আমি অকল ফেমিলি হিষ্ট্ৰীটো ড্ৰ কৰোঁ, ফেমিলি ট্ৰী আমি ড্ৰ কৰোঁ। তোমাৰ মানে একদম মানে আগৰ দিনৰ পৰা ককা আইতাৰ দিনৰ পৰা আমি ফেমিলি হিষ্ট্ৰীটো ড্ৰ কৰোঁ। while in EcoMap, not only family history, we also in EcoMap we do not draw the family history, we draw the social and personal relationship. Why social? Because in the relationship with the religious institution, it's not personal relationship, it's social relationship, isn't it? So in EcoMap we draw the social and personal relationship. তুমি নামঘৰলৈ যোৱা, চাৰ্চলৈ যোৱা, মছজিদলৈ যোৱা, তো সেইটো ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ ইটছ এ ছ'চিয়েল ৰিলেশ্যন, ইটছ নট এ পাৰ্চনেল ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ. অ'কে, চ' ইন EcoMap we draw both social and personal relationship, your relationship with your friends, relationship with your family members, with relationship with your neighbor, relationship with your school, relationship with your social institution. Okay, I hope বুজি পাইছা, যদি কিবা বুজি নোপোৱা প্লিজ ক'বা. And so in EcoMap, an EcoMap is a visual tool that many social workers used with families and individuals as a participatory way to involve clients in describing and organizing the various elements impacting their lives. EcoMap are essentially diagrams that place the client at the center and visually display the key social and personal relationship the client has with the external environment. Okay, so EcoMap is a visual tool. So when you draw the diagram through the, so that's, you draw the diagram, that's why it's a visual tool, and through the visual tool it's help you to know the diagram itself describe the relationship, personal and social relationship of the client with the external environment. তুমি যেতিয়া ডায়েগ্ৰামটো ড্ৰ কৰিবা, ইট মিনছ এইটো ভিজুৱেল টুল হয়, তুমি দেখা পাবা, আৰু সেই ডায়েগ্ৰামটোৱে দ্য ডায়েগ্ৰাম ইটছেল্ফ উইল ডেছক্ৰাইব ইউ, তোমাক এই ডায়েগ্ৰামটোৱে ডেছক্ৰাইব কৰিব যে দ্য ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ উইথ ইয়ৰ দ্য ছ'চিয়েল এণ্ড সামাজিক আৰু ব্যক্তিগত ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ, ছ'চিয়েল এণ্ড পাৰ্চনেল ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ উইথ দি এক্সটাৰ্নেল এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট. এক্সটাৰ্নেল এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট মানে সেয়া স্কুল হওক, ছ'চিয়েল ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন, religious institution, neighbor, external environment. Okay, so how you are going to draw? Okay, I will explain through help of a picture. Give me few minutes. Okay, Okay, if you see this diagram, you can see that in the corner, in the left corner of the picture, you can see that the in genogram people use some symbol to indicate the relationship. As for example, the first line indicates positive relationship and the second line indicates tenuous relationship. It means very weak relationship. And the third symbol indicates stressful relationship. And arrow equal sign to equal sign to energy flow to define কৰে. The third line, it means arrows equal to energy flow যেটো mean কৰিছে সেই লাইনটো এটো বুজাইছে যে arrow তুমি যেতিয়া arrow sign এডাল use কৰা, when you use arrow marks, it indicates the energy flow. I will explain this. And the fifth one, 1 2 3 4, fifth line thickness, intensity. তো এইটোৱে so first, okay, I will explain everything. Okay, so now please see system A. System A, you can see a right arrow mark to system B. System A পৰা তোমালোকে এটা arrow mark দেখা পাইছা system B লে. So it indicates positive relationship system B driving energy from system A. Means the system B energy flow to korpra ahise, energy flow is coming from system A to system B. It means the system B positive energy korpra pai ase from system A. Okay, again system C. System C means upor chua system B and C stressing each other. So A is a beka beki ke jidal line dise, this indicates stressful. Please look at the box at the left corner. Then you can see that this line indicates stressful relationship. তো system কি হৈছে যে B আৰু C দুইটা stress দিছে. Then again C আৰু H চোৱা, H হে C positive energy দি আছে, but at the same time system C system H কিন্তু stressful energy দি আছে, বুজিছা? So কিন্তু তুমি B আৰু C চাবা, B আৰু C arrow mark দুই ফালে আছে, সেই কাৰণে কি বুজাইছে যে দুইটা stress মানে stressful energy দিছে. কিন্তু ইয়াতে চোৱা যে বেকা বেকি যেটো লাইন আছে সেই লাইনটো তুমি দেখা পাবা যে arrow mark is there only one side. So it indicates the stressful relation is flowing from C only to system H, while system H is flowing positive energy to system C. Okay, teneke jodi chua system F aru system G er majot, then you can see a very weak relationship. Eta weak system F aru system G er majot a weak relationship ase. Okay, while system E aru jodi system F or majot chua system E aru system F, then you can see that though they have both positive energy for each other, at the same time they have also a stressful relationship to each other. I hope a diagram to sai tumaloke buji paisa. Jodi buji nai poa, please let me know. Kano bujalo.